Welcome back, guys. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach us how I designed this flyer on my screen in less than we can. So can we start? First of all, we'll go to our file, click on new. We use the size 5 inches by 5 inches, resolution 400. Then you create. First thing we are going to do, I already type out the write-ups here, which let's copy, Ctrl C, go back to Photoshop, paste, change the color to black, paste it like this. And you change the font size, the font to light, then you change the font size to 7. I don't want the design to be much big, the font to be very big. Then you go here, click, you select these are tag, you Ctrl C to pick, then you paste it here like this. Okay, so not wasting our time, I'll be using a text markup for this tag. I'll be using a text markup for this tag. I've already prepared one. I download it free on free pix. If you want, you can check it out. Just I'll open it. Less than how many minutes I'll be done. Open the text. This is how to edit markup. Text markup. Hide this text. Next thing, double click this to bring you to this panel, and you delete this one or you hide it. Just hide it. Go back to your flyer, select this, Ctrl C, then you come back to this page, paste it down, Ctrl V, then you increase it like this. Then the next thing, just to separate this code, you cut the god out, paste it in another place. Then I've already separated. The next thing we are going to do is change the font size. Change the font size to a longer font. Font that is very long. Down. So I use this font size. The spacing in between I use -50 for God. Then this one to change the font to the same down. The space in between I use -25, which is like so. And we centralize everything with this one like this. That's all. Then we'll select everything together. Now include side, make sure you centralize the root like this. Then the next thing I'm going to do, just click Ctrl S, which is save. It will automatically convert to mockup like this. You can see the magic here. Yes, you can see the magic here. So the next thing we're going to do, I'll need to convert it to PNG. Reason being that if you're having a system that is the RAM and the processor speed is low, it can be slow. So like my system is very high, but I'm doing this because of people that have small RAM and small ROM. So I'll just hide the background, then convert it, save as, Control Shift S. You are now convert it to PNG, which it is. Save. Okay. Then we'll close this layer like this. So the next thing we are going to do now is to delete. We're going to where our file is. I'm going to select it, drag it down like this, reduce it a little bit, something like this. Then we need to shift it up here. Then the next thing we are going to bring is our logo, drag our logo the ministry logo, reduce it a little bit, can still be reduced by this. To centralize everything. Keep this one, the name of the church will need to be down. And the logo t-shirt will need to be down. Yeah, we're almost done. So the next thing is bring out the picture. Let's have the picture. And shift this one like this. Pastor and the convener. So go to our word, pick the Bible references or the Bible passage. And paste it. Your font size still the 12 still remains the same, but we are going to change it to bold. We're going to use a bolder format of it. That it can be worked on mouse like this. So the next thing we are going to do now is to select our menu and the rest. So centralize this, shift down, can shift this to up. Let's do this to up. And then up like this. Yeah. Okay. Change this to white color. Like so. Let's give it outline so that we can know what we are working on. Yes. So the next thing is to come to Word. You select these two, the date and the time. Ctrl C, copy, come here, you paste it. Hit OK. I'm going to convert this to 2, break it down. Now we are going to select all, Ctrl A, then left side alignment, left hand alignment like this. Take it down. Use the font size, still the same font size, but let's reduce the font 6.5. Then we are going to change it from bold to right, medium. Next, come to our address, Ctrl C, pick your text box by pressing T, then Ctrl D. Change the font size to 6.5, yes, and medium. Okay. So we are going to break it into two. We are going to break all these text. So first of all, education, we break it, education, and then next one is United Kingdom, like this. So do it here, like this. Take this one up a little bit, align it up, then let there be a space in between this date and time. Yeah, something like this. And the next one is the place or the social media that will be happening. It need to be happening on Zoom, so you just Ctrl V, you break it down, pass code, then it's still the same 6.5, same thing. Okay, align it to up like this. So the next thing I'm going to do is align to make the gap in between where I align and where just click on this place. See, to automatically align. Then you shift it to the left, take it down a little bit, like so. Yeah, well, me, I'm feeling this. The right up actually big. So yeah, you just change the font size to light. Next year it goes. Yeah, this one is okay. Very very fine. So you still realign it. Yeah, like this. You select or keep it up a little bit. Right. So the next thing I'm going to do to give it a line. Pick your pen to demarcate in between the three writer. Pick your pen to you pop the bill, then you give it a stroke black font, and the point size is 1. 1 is too big, you can use 0.5. Yes, like this. Wow, very very okay, very very okay. So to duplicate it, you press Ctrl J. If you are using what is the name? If you are using Windows system, Ctrl J. If you are using Mac, Control Command J. Yeah, looking like this. So we're almost through. Almost through. So the next thing we are going to do is this. Remove this outline here. This outline of this off. Move it. So the next thing is the name of the pastor, the name of the minister. Like we just click on it, select Ctrl C, and go back to our photo. Paste it like this. Break it into two. Yeah. Which should be a little bit. Then this pastor Moses should be on board because it's the pastor, the minister. If you notice this design, I'm not using many fonts. I just use 2 fonts on this design, just 2 fonts on this design. Reason being that I want the design to be very very simple and okay, and so I'm using 2 fonts on it. So the next thing I'm going to do is the background, but before that, let's group our work so that it can make our layer more beautiful. Select the Ctrl G and name it date, comma time, and then hit OK. Then this Hebrew, we are going to change the color to yellow. Change the color to yellow. Then this pastor, we are changing the color to white. As simple as this. So let's bring out our background. Use the background prepare already. Just select paste inside and put it like this. Then you take it down, drag it down, last get something like this. Yeah, beautiful. But before that, let's work on the background a little bit on camera raw. I love using camera raw just to bring it out. And we increase the contrast, increase the black, increase the texture a little bit, reduce the clarity, increase the texture, then the background, increase it so that it can come out very well. It's okay. Yes, like this. If you can see, you see that this the write up, the heading is not coming out very well. So we're going to change it to bold. Now you can still see it's still not coming out very well. So how do we do that? We just blur some background here, also add some white here. So let me convert it to white. Next, you are going to do is to blur, go to blur, version blur, over to smart object, hit OK. Then take it to the bottom of it. You can see it's coming out very well. It's coming out very well. So this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much. Thank you for staying. And please, if you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please do that now. Click on the subscription bell, subscription button below, and just subscribe. Thank you. I love you.